The Pegasus Path What If Report allows you to explore how your academic plan might change if you switch majors, declare or add a major, or add a minor or certificate. Click on the What If button to get started. First, select the college of your new area of study using the drop-down menu under Academic Program. If your intended program is limited or restricted access, select the college versions with R. For example, RCHPS. You can use the undergraduate catalog programs list if you need to look up the college. Next, choose your major from the drop-down menu under Area of Study. In the Plan Term column, select the semester when you plan to declare your new program. For some programs, you will need to select the concentration or track before proceeding. Repeat the same steps for any second majors, minors, and/or certificates you may plan to complete together. Minors show in all college lists, but certificates only show with their associated college. Once everything is selected, click Continue to generate your What If report. Pegasus Path will now show you a semester-by-semester plan for each of the programs selected. The report will highlight courses you've already completed and are in progress, so you can see how they may apply to the new program. Completed courses are marked with green checks, and courses in progress with a gold diamond. Each program you've selected will be listed separately, like our example here. Lastly, clicking the What If Study Plan button will display a possible Pegasus path for the outstanding requirements using all selected programs. This is helpful for determining how long it may take to complete all of the programs. The Pegasus Path What If report helps you make informed decisions about possible changes to your academic programs. If you have questions about your plan, connect with your academic success coach for guidance. Thanks for watching, and charge on.